Our sun powers our universe. It provides all of the light and energy our planet needs to survive. The light travels to Earth in the form of a photon. We are going to look at the journey of a photon all the way from the sun to Earth. Our sun is almost 93 million miles from our Earth. Although that is incredibly far for us to go, light moves so fast, about 300 million meters per second, it takes light only about 8 minutes to travel from the sun to the Earth, but this is the last part of its journey. A photon is formed in the center of the sun and bounces around for up to 10,000 years. It is undergoing the process of fusion and is making its way to the surface. It takes so long for the photon to get to the surface because the sun is huge. Over a million of our Earths could fit inside of it. Once a photon leaves the sun, it begins its journey to Earth. The light coming from the sun is both a wave and a particle. It is a particle because it takes up space, it has matter, and it's a wave because of the path it takes to get here. These are 3 photons on their way to Earth. Notice their wave pattern. Every wave is made up of 5 important characteristics. Let's take a closer look. The peak is the point on a wave with a maximum or upward displacement within a cycle. It's the highest point of a wave. Similarly, the trough is the minimum or lowest point in the cycle. The amplitude is the height of the wave, while the wavelength measures the distance between one peak to the next. The frequency is the number of occurrences in a given time period. This is just another way of saying how fast a wave is occurring. Every photon on its way from the sun has a different wavelength, making up the electromagnetic spectrum. The small part in the middle is the only part we can see. It's called the visible light spectrum. This light and all the energy used to power the planet comes from the sun. So when you go outside and watch the sunset, just remember that what you're seeing is the final minutes of a 10,000-year lifespan of a photon. It traveled almost 93 million miles through space over thousands of years, all to land on your retina.